In this video, you'll learn how to unarchive contacts in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to restore archived contacts to your audience list effortlessly. This process can be crucial for maintaining your email campaigns and ensuring all relevant contacts are accessible. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard, which features various options and tools for managing your email marketing. Next, locate and click on the Audience tab found in the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This section allows you to manage your contacts and view audience insights. Once you click on Audience, you will be directed to a page displaying your audience lists and related options. After that, look for the three dots icon, often labeled as Manage Audience. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, select the option labeled Archived Contacts. This action will lead you to a page that lists all contacts that have been archived, allowing you to manage them appropriately. Now you will see a list of your archived contacts. Click on the specific contact you wish to unarchive. This selection will open the contact's detailed view where you can see their information and any associated actions. It is essential to ensure you have selected the correct contact before proceeding to the next step. Once the contact details are visible, locate the checkbox near the contact's name. Click on this checkbox to select the contact for unarchiving. You should notice that the interface may provide visual feedback indicating the contact has been selected, allowing you to confirm your action. Next, find and click on the Unarchive All button. This option is usually located near the top of the page. When you click this button, a confirmation dialog will appear, prompting you to verify your intention to unarchive the selected contacts. To confirm the action, type unarchive into the confirmation field that appears. This step is crucial as it ensures you are aware of the action you are taking, preventing accidental unarchiving of contacts. After typing, make sure to double check your entry. Then type unarchive in the provided text box to finalize your request. This step reinforces your confirmation and is necessary to proceed. Once you have entered this text correctly, look for the Unarchive button, which will now be active for you to click. Finally, click on the Unarchive button to complete the process. After this action, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the contact has been successfully unarchived. This feedback is essential to ensure that the contact is now restored to your active audience list. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.